Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Alex. I'm sorry, we're not actually going to call that. I'm here to introduce something that I saw on First We Feast. Steve-O went on First We Feast, and there was a section where he talked about his favorite snacks of all time. And what I have here is one of his favorite snacks. Monster Munch. From England. Has kind of like the strange off-brand Lay's logo on it. Funny story, he actually took an airplane trip to England just to eat these. And I've never had these before. So right now I'm gonna try the chip that someone bought a whole airplane ticket just to eat. This is the pickled onions. Whoa, right off the bat, very strong mustard smell. Whoo! Kind of reminds me of a Funyun. Wow. Damn, that's actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It's kind of like if you took Funyuns, put them in a bag of salt and vinegar chips, and kind of mixed it up. It kind of has that this is a cross between a Funyun and salt and vinegar.
Final judgment?
Final judgment? Way better than I thought it would be. Steve-O, this is for you.
And now you have cancer.
Mm.